like we as a team, we have the best group ever. Like we really do. This is unique. You don't find companies that have this kind of energy and love for each other. We have each other's back. And so, like, please appreciate each other. You guys are amazing. We work our asses off and we all love each other. So thank you so much. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. I go around and say how amazing each one of you are, but I literally, I'd be wet from here. From that, I'm going to start crying. All right, now go eat. That's all.